Now, before we jump in and start to record a macro telling it to do whatever we want it to do, we got to activate what's called the Developer tab. The Developer tab is an area where we can get into all the various macro tools among other features. It's not on by default within Microsoft Excel, but it's a simple process of activating it within the interface. And there's actually multiple ways to do this. If I just go up to one of my tabs, top of my screen along the ribbon here, Home, Insert, Page Layout, and so on. If I right-click one of those tabs, I get my right-click menu, and in there I'm going to go to Customize the Ribbon. Inside the Customize or Excel Options area, I'm on the Customize Ribbon section. On the far right, I've got all of my ribbons tabs, and I'm just going to turn on Developer. I'll place a check mark there, I'll hit OK, and I've now activated the Developer tab. Really simple. But now on the Developer tab, far left, I've got a section called Code. And through here, I'll find all of my macro features. The ability to record macros, to get into the Visual Basic window, to get to my macros interface where I can find all the macros that this workbook contains, and a few other features. But first, make sure that you activate the Developer tab. Again, just right-click one of those tabs at the top, customize the ribbon, activate the Developer tab, and you're good to go.